In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to delete a worksheet in Excel. If you're organizing a workbook and you no longer need one of the sheets, Excel makes it very quick to remove it. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it confidently and avoid deleting the wrong sheet by mistake. To begin, look at the bottom of your Excel window. This is where you'll see the worksheet tabs for your workbook. Each tab represents a separate sheet, and they're usually labeled with names like Sheet 1, Sheet 2, or custom names, depending on how your file is set up. Take a moment to locate the specific worksheet tab that you want to delete. This is important because deleting a worksheet removes that sheet from the workbook. Once you've found the correct worksheet tab, move your mouse over it and right-click. When you right-click the tab, a menu will appear with several options related to that worksheet. This menu gives you quick access to actions like renaming, moving, copying, and in this case, deleting the sheet. From that menu, click Delete. As soon as you do this, Excel will begin the deletion process for that worksheet. In some cases, especially if the sheet contains data, Excel may show a confirmation message before completing the action. This is simply there to make sure you really want to remove the worksheet. If you see a prompt asking you to confirm, click Delete again. This final confirmation tells Excel to go ahead and permanently remove the worksheet from the workbook. After that, the tab will disappear from the bottom of the screen, which lets you know the sheet has been deleted successfully. A quick tip here: before deleting any worksheet, make sure you no longer need the information on it. If the sheet contains important data, it's a good idea to review it first or save a backup copy of your workbook. That way, you can stay organized without accidentally losing anything valuable. And that's all there is to it. Deleting a worksheet in Excel is a simple process. Find the Sheet tab, right-click it, choose Delete, and confirm if prompted. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching.